Good morning. I'm Tom Joyce. I'm here at Hancock Air Base, and this is the Clergy Day here. And I have kind of come to try and communicate with clergy and church members that are coming in, kind of what the real ministry would be to those that are in the military. A number of these clergy are coming to support the chaplains at the base, whose ministry is to care for the needs of servicemen and women in the military. Part of that is to kind of encourage them to look at what they are really a part of. And so that would not be to necessarily undermine what a chaplain's role is, but just to broaden it, to look more clearly at our, kind of how we look at our whole life, and be able to evaluate what we're doing at a certain time in life, and maybe consider a different path. So that's what we're trying to do. And it's difficult because we don't have people kind of walking by us that we could actually talk to. We're relying on signs and the occasional short interaction through a car window. But it's you have to try and do what you can for peace in this world. And that's what many of us have been doing over the years, different ways. And this is another one of those ways. We're just being faithful to our beliefs and hoping that passers-by have a sense from the signs why we're here. Maybe they'll connect it to the actual Clergy Day here. I had a nice interaction with a young person who was in the military, who I asked him, did he know about Clergy Day, and he admitted he didn't really know that much about it, but he was now intending to research it a little bit. So those kind of interactions make this worth the effort, to know that you are connecting with people in some way. So that's why I'm here.